Morocco is located in northwest Africa, bordering the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. The official language of Morocco is Arabic, but Berber is also widely spoken. The capital city of Morocco is Rabat, while the largest city is Casablanca. Morocco is known for its diverse culture, influenced by Arab, Berber, and European traditions. The Moroccan flag features a red background with a green pentagram in the center. The currency used in Morocco is the Moroccan dirham. Morocco is a constitutional monarchy with a king as the head of state. The population of Morocco is around 36.9 million people. The Moroccan cuisine is famous for dishes like tagine, couscous, and pastilla. Morocco is home to the Atlas Mountains, which are popular for hiking and trekking. The Sahara Desert covers a large part of southern Morocco. The city of Marrakesh is famous for its vibrant souks and historic Medina. Morocco is known for its traditional music, including genres like Nawa and Andalusian music. The ancient city of Fez is home to the oldest university in the world, the University of Al-Qarawiyyi. Morocco has a rich history, with influences from Phoenician, Roman, and Islamic civilizations. The Moroccan flag is red with a green five-pointed star in the center. Morocco is a popular destination for tourists seeking to explore its vibrant culture and landscapes. The city of Essaouira is known for its charming coastal location and blue and white buildings. Moroccan mint tea is a popular drink enjoyed throughout the country. The traditional attire in Morocco includes the jalaba and the kaftan. The city of Chefchaouen is famous for its blue-painted buildings and narrow streets. Morocco is known for its intricate Islamic architecture, seen in mosques and palaces. The city of Tangier is located at the entrance to the Strait of Gibraltar. The traditional Moroccan wedding ceremony is a colorful and festive celebration. The city of Ouarzazate has been used as a filming location for many movies and TV shows. Morocco is a top producer of phosphates, which are used in fertilizer production. The Moroccan royal family plays a significant role in the country's political and social life. Morocco has a diverse landscape, including mountains, deserts, and coastal areas. The high Atlas Mountains are popular for trekking and skiing in the winter months. The city of Meknes is known for its well-preserved historic sites, including the Bab Mansour Gate. Morocco has a strong tradition of arts and crafts, including pottery, textiles, and metalwork. The city of Agadir is a popular beach destination on the Atlantic coast. The Drâa River is the longest river in Morocco, flowing from the Atlas Mountains to the Sahara Desert. The Moroccan cuisine is known for its use of spices like cinnamon, cumin, and saffron. The ancient city of Volubilis is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its Roman ruins. Morocco is a diverse country with Arab, Berber, African, and European influences. The city of Rabat is home to many important government buildings, including the Royal Palace. The Moroccan coastline stretches for over 1,800 miles along the Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. Morocco has a rich literary tradition, with famous writers like Tahar Ben Jelloun and Leila Slimani. The city of Tétouan is known for its Spanish Moorish architecture and Andalusian influence. The Moroccan flag is red with a green five-pointed star in the center. The city of Safi is famous for its pottery and ceramics industry. Morocco has a warm climate, with hot summers and mild winters in most regions. The Moroccan postal system is known for its colorful stamps and designs. The city of Taza is located in the Rif Mountains and is known for its natural beauty. Morocco has a rich tradition of handcrafted leather goods, including bags, shoes, and belts. The city of El Jadida is known for its Portuguese-influenced architecture and historic sites. Morocco is a Muslim-majority country, with Islam as the official religion. The city of Oujda is located near the border with Algeria and is known for its traditional music. Morocco has a strong tradition of oral storytelling, with tales passed down through generations. The city of Larache is located on the Atlantic coast and is known for its fishing industry. Morocco is famous for its traditional hammams, or public bathhouses. The city of Settat is known for its agricultural production, including olives and citrus fruits. Morocco has a rich tradition of pottery, with styles and designs varying by region. The city of Tanger is located at the entrance to the Strait of Gibraltar and is a major port city. Morocco is known for its vibrant markets, where locals and tourists alike can shop for traditional crafts. The city of Msouin is a popular surfing destination on the Atlantic coast. Morocco has a strong tradition of music and dance, with styles varying by region. The city of Khenifra is known for its scenic beauty and is a popular destination for outdoor activities. Morocco is home to a rich tradition of storytelling and oral poetry. The city of El Kila des Ragna is known for its agricultural production, including dates and olives. Morocco has a diverse landscape, including mountains, deserts, and fertile plains. The city of Bouznika is a popular beach destination on the Atlantic coast. Moroccan weddings are elaborate affairs, with multiple ceremonies and celebrations. The city of Demnate is known for its natural beauty and is a popular destination for hiking and camping. Morocco has a rich tradition of textile production, including carpets, blankets, and clothing. The city of Ifrane is known for its alpine climate and is a popular destination for winter sports. Morocco is known for its vibrant music scene, with genres like Rai and Chabi popular throughout the country. The city of Azrou is located in the Middle Atlas Mountains and is known for its cedar forests.